Eager to go out after lockdown? Not so fast. First, take care to protect yourself. Either pick this or this or this. So many marathon teas because you run so many marathons. First thing, making a mask. Cut a rectangle out of that sleeve. Because let's face it, who needs sleeve anyways? Use a strip from the same t-shirt to tie them and voila, you are done. Next thing, gloves. Use your hand to draw the pattern. Wait, do they look like Peppa Pig? So anyways, now start sewing them right sides together. Turn them inside out. These time-lapse videos can be really deceiving. You know how 2-minute noodles are never ready in 2 minutes? The same way, no 5-minute crafts are ever done in 5 minutes. It's an illusion. Here, thanks to time-lapse video, I have completed the gloves and started making the tote bag. Whereas actually it is the next day. Just cut away the neck and the sleeves, stitch the loop